Alright, here we come to the elevator at JCPenney at First Colony Mall in Sugar Land, Texas. This is an updated take on this elevator as well. And that up sign is gone. Focus camera. UL. This thing sounds kind of rough. That down lantern looks like it's broken. Go down to LL. It looks like they put in a carpet now. They used to have like a hard tile floor. These are your fixtures, Schindler MT fixtures. They used to have a phone box, but they now put in an 88 phone. And it just had to reload. So look at this down indicator. They really need to fix that. Anyways, there it goes. And that's it.